Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Manli and Emtek GeForce RTX 40 supercards. So friend, Manli and Emtek serves as official NVIDIA AIC vendors in Hong Kong and South Korea. So friend, in a recent update, Manli has refreshed its RTX 40 lineup with super variants introduced by NVIDIA in January. Surprisingly, the company has shifted from its iconic green design to entirely different aesthetic, adopting a full white cooler design. Despite this shift, Manli has opted to maintain the spirit levels for their RTX 4080 supermodel and friend. Both the RTX 4070 Ti Super and RTX 4070 Super comes with a dual slot design offering a compact form factor. In contrast, the RTX 4080 Super takes things a step further by expanding to a third slot, and it's noteworthy that none of these three models come factory overclocked. On another front, MTech has unveiled a refresh of their Miracle series in all-white design, aligning with the market trend and friend. The company highlighted that all cards across the series support 0 decibel mode, and this feature ensures that the fan remain idle unless a certain GPU load their soul is reached. And friend, MTech like mainly opt not to include factory overclocking on any other this card. Gamers will have a choice of 4070, 4070 Ti and 4080 models. And friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.